Hello everyone, Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Just thought I would stop by real quick and show you another sheet load of cards that I completed. A friend of mine and I decided to do a Zoom crafting session last week, and during that session I decided to create a sheet load of cards. So I did the September 2021 sheet load. If you're new to my channel or new to SheetLoad, it is a free printable that Call Me Crafty Al puts out on her YouTube channel. All you have to do is be a subscriber, and then each month she puts it out. You watch her video and she tells you how you can get it for free. I will link everything in the description box below. On the sheetload of cards, you'll have the supplies needed, how many cards it'll make, the dimensions if you want to make just like a single card, other ways to use it, the sketch, and a cutting guide to get you the most out of your paper. For my sheetload of cards for this time, I had a lot of fun because I used supplies that have been in my stash for a little while, and I don't know that I think I have used most of them, which is a surprise. Looking forward to 2022, my goal is to spend less and create more, so I'm hoping to do more of that kind of using your stash kind of thing. So I used the Sweet Sayings from Stamping Up, and I used the Blooms and Wishes stamp set from Stamping Up, and then I also used the Blooms and Wishes Designer Series paper from Stamping Up. I didn't have any more full sheets to share with you on that. And then I also used My Favorite Things Blueprints die, just a little part of it. And so onto my cards. I did make 8 cards. So I have 4 with the pattern paper looking like this. And then I have 4 with it looking like this. I thought it turned out really nice. It was a fun sheet load with this little angle. Not gonna lie, I get nervous when I have to cut things like that because I'm always afraid I'm gonna mess up, but I was able to do it. Added that little die cut there just for some dimension. And I added some, I think they're called dewdrops from my stash. I have a whole bunch of these, so you will probably be seeing quite a few of them on cards. And then on this one, I just reversed the paper for that die cut so that you would be able to see it a little bit more. It still kind of blends in, but it's there. And then those dewdrops again. So again, real quick, there's my September 2021 sheetload of cards. Again, everything is in the description box below, and I hope to be back soon, although it might not be until Saturday for my Saturday showcase. I did not put one out on Christmas because I did not create a lot of cards last week due to me starting my challenge group back up. If you haven't heard of my challenge group, it's called There's a Stamp for That. It is on Facebook. I had it in the past and then I closed it down because life got kind of overwhelming, but I'm bringing it back, and our first challenge will actually be on January 2nd. So I hope that you will join us over there. Again, I'll link that below. I'd love to see everyone come and play along. I try to make the challenges have 2 to 3 themes so that everyone can join without running out and buying things. Again, 2022 is going to be my year. I can just feel it. Going to spend less and create more. So until my next video, if you like what you see, I hope you'll click that button to subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, and go have a great day. Do something for yourself, get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon.